I'm a friend of Sarah Connor. I was told that she's here. Could I see her, please?
No, can't see her. She's making a statement.
Where is she?
Look, it may take a while. If you want to wait, there's a bench over there.
I'll be back.
Overkill, kill-tacular, kill-trocity.
What is the terrorist? Something happened, I don't know.
Stay here.
Triple kill. Overkill. One minute remaining. Double kill.
Watch him.
Betrayal. Jaro. Killing frenzy. Running riot. Rampage. Invincible. Inconceivable. Friggin' believable. Game over.